So before we have seen DSUM function. Now I am going to show you how to use OR and AND criteria in your DSUM function. So first is OR. So here I have one category, that is telephone. Okay, this is the total sum of the sales in the category telephone. So I need one more category, okay, in which I need the together total sales of these two categories. So I will choose this copying in my second category. So just type here copying, and these are my two category of which I need the total sales. So in this column, in this cell, just we have to change the function, we have to change the criteria. Now before my criteria was I2 to I3. Now I need a criteria from I2 to I4. So I will change it I3 to I4 and press OK. Now here I got the total sum. Okay, total sum of the category telephone and copying. This was the OR function, like I need telephone or copying. I need a total sum of both the category. Now for AND, okay, like I need, apart from category, I need a particular division. Okay, what is the total sales of the category telephone? So for this, just delete this. I will change this function again to I3. So changed. Now I have to give the division, and I will give the same format to division also as per my category. And now division I want east. Okay, each division I want the total sales of the category telephone. So what you have to do, again go to your this one cell, and in this go to your function, and every time just you have to change the criteria. So my criteria will be this, okay, S2 to I3, press OK. So east category, east division for the category telephone, total sales is 2600. This was the AND function. And before what I have shown, like you can use two division and two category also, okay, in the same AND OR function, AND and OR together you can use. So for that, again, if I need north division, okay, and category I will give copying, and give the same format to this also. Now you have to change this function. What is my criteria? My criteria is division east and north, and the category is telephone and copy. So just select your category, and you will get the total sum of the sales of east division, in which category is telephone, and north division category is copy. So this was how in the DSUM function we are using AND and OR. So I hope you understand.
So guys, I hope you learned something, and after this you will be able to use AND OR in your DSUM function. And as you know, DSUM function is very helpful, and you can calculate your specific field, some of the specific field of your database using your, like, whatever criteria you are going to define. On the basis of that, you can calculate the sum. And DSUM function, as I showed you before also, it is using a different arguments like database, field and criteria. And apart from this, I showed you what are the criterias we can use, like OR, and we can use. Based on that, you can get the desired calculation. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you learned something, and if you have any question, just comment it below. I will try to get you the solution. Okay, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.